This essay is your comprehensive guide to mastering interview questions for both manual and automation testing, with a special focus on Selenium Java. Whether you're a newcomer to the field or a seasoned professional seeking to brush up on your skills, this guide will equip you with the essential knowledge and confidence to excel in your next interview. We'll delve into both manual testing, exploring fundamental concepts and best practices. We'll also cover automation testing, dissecting the intricacies and advanced techniques of Selenium Java. Each section will present 10 commonly asked interview questions, accompanied by clear and concise answers to help you prepare effectively. Let's embark on this exciting journey together to unlock your full testing potential and achieve success. This section delves into the fundamental questions about manual testing, a crucial aspect of software development. Understanding these basics is essential for anyone involved in the software development lifecycle. Question 1. What is software testing? Answer. Software testing is the process of evaluating a software application to ensure it performs as expected. It involves identifying defects or bugs that could potentially disrupt the user experience. The goal is to ensure the software meets the specified requirements and functions correctly. It aims to deliver a quality product that meets user expectations and provides a seamless user experience. Question 2. Explain the different levels of testing. Answer. There are 4 main levels of software testing, each serving a unique purpose in the development process. Unit testing, which involves testing individual components or modules of the software to ensure they work correctly in isolation. Integration testing, which involves testing the interaction between different modules or components to ensure they work together as intended. System testing, which involves testing the fully integrated system as a whole to verify that it meets the specified requirements. And acceptance testing, which is conducted by the end users to validate if the system meets their requirements and is ready for deployment. Question 3. What are the different types of software testing? Answer. There are numerous types of software testing, each serving a specific purpose. Some common types include black box testing, which is testing without knowledge of the internal code, focusing on input and output. White box testing, which is testing with knowledge of the internal code, focusing on the internal workings of the application. Functional testing, which is verifying if the software functions as per the requirements and performs its intended functions. Performance testing, which is evaluating the speed, stability, and responsiveness of the software under various conditions. And security testing, which is identifying vulnerabilities and weaknesses in the system to ensure it is secure from threats. Question 4. Describe the software testing lifecycle, STLC. Answer. STLC is a systematic process of software testing that ensures quality and efficiency. It consists of the following phases, each critical to the overall testing process. Requirement analysis, which involves understanding the requirements and identifying what needs to be tested. Test planning, which involves defining the testing strategy, objectives, and resources needed. Test case development, which involves creating detailed test cases to cover different scenarios and ensure comprehensive testing. Test environment setup, which involves setting up the environment for testing, including hardware and software configurations. Test execution, which involves running the test cases and recording the results. And test cycle closure, which involves reporting the test results, documenting the testing process, and ensuring all objectives have been met. Question 5. What is a test case? Answer. A test case is a set of conditions or actions designed to verify a particular feature or functionality of the software. It's used to verify a particular feature or functionality of the software, ensuring it works as intended. It includes test steps, test data, and expected results, providing a clear guideline for testing. Question 6. What is a test plan? Answer. A test plan is a comprehensive document that outlines the testing strategy, objectives, scope, schedule, and resources for a software testing project. It serves as a roadmap for the testing process, ensuring all aspects are covered and the project stays on track. Question 7. What is defect bug lifecycle? Answer. The defect bug lifecycle tracks the life of a defect from its discovery to its resolution. The stages typically include new, where a new defect is reported and logged into the system. Assigned, where the defect is assigned to a developer for investigation and resolution. Open, where the developer starts working on fixing the defect, analyzing the root cause. fixed where the developer has fixed the defect and marks it as resolved. Retest, where the tester retests the fix to ensure the defect is indeed resolved and no new issues have been introduced. And closed, where the defect is closed if the fix is verified and the issue is resolved satisfactorily. Question 8. What is the difference between verification and validation? Answer. Verification ensures that the software is built according to the requirements and specifications. It involves reviews, walkthroughs, and inspections to ensure the product is being built correctly. Validation ensures that the software meets the actual needs of the user. It involves actual testing to confirm the product works as intended in real-world scenarios. Question 9. What is exploratory testing? Answer. Exploratory testing is a type of testing where testers do not follow a strict test plan, allowing for more flexibility and creativity. They explore the software, learn about it, and design tests as they go, adapting to new findings and insights. Question 10. How to report a bug effectively? Answer. An effective bug report should include several key elements to ensure clarity and actionability. A clear and concise title that summarizes the issue. Steps to reproduce the bug, providing a detailed sequence of actions. Expected and actual results to highlight the discrepancy. Screenshots or videos, if applicable, to provide visual evidence. And system environment information to help replicate the issue. This section delves into automation testing using Selenium Java, a popular choice for web application testing. Selenium Java is widely adopted due to its robustness and flexibility. Question 1. What is automation testing and why is it important? Answer. Automation testing involves using tools to execute test cases. It is a crucial part of modern software development. It increases efficiency, improves accuracy, and allows for faster feedback cycles. This leads to higher quality software and quicker release times. Question 2. What are the different types of automation frameworks? Answer. Common automation frameworks include linear scripting, which involves simple sequential execution of test scripts. Modular testing framework, which involves dividing the application into modules for independent testing. Data-driven testing framework, which involves using external data sources to drive test cases. Keyword-driven testing framework, which involves using keywords to represent actions and data, and hybrid testing framework, which combines elements of different frameworks. Each framework has its own strengths and can be chosen based on the specific needs of the project. Question 3. What is Selenium and what are its components? Answer. Selenium is a suite of tools for automating web browsers. It is highly versatile and supports multiple programming languages. Its components include Selenium IDE, which is a browser extension for recording and playing backtest scripts. Selenium WebDriver, which is a collection of language-specific bindings for browser automation. And Selenium Grid, which is for running tests on multiple machines and browsers in parallel. These components work together to provide a comprehensive testing solution. Question 4. How to locate elements in Selenium? Answer. Selenium uses locators to find elements on a web page. Common locators include ID, which is a unique identifier for an element, name, which is the element's name attribute, class name, which is the element's class attribute, tag name, which is the element's HTML tag name, link text, which is the text of a hyperlink, partial link text, which is part of the text of a hyperlink, XPath, which is an XML path expression to locate an element, and CSS selector, which is a CSS selector to locate an element. These locators are essential for interacting with web elements during testing. Question 5. Explain different types of weights in Selenium. Answer. Weights help synchronize test execution with the application of the test. They ensure that elements are available before actions are performed. Types of weights include implicit wait, which instructs Selenium to wait for a certain amount of time before throwing an exception. Explicit wait, which waits for a specific condition to be met before proceeding. And fluent wait, which is a more customizable wait that allows you to define polling intervals and exceptions. These waits are crucial for handling dynamic web elements. Question 6. How to handle alerts pop-ups in Selenium. Answer. Selenium provides methods to handle alerts and pop-ups, which accepts the alert, which dismisses the alert, which gets the text of the alert, and which enters text into the alert if applicable. Handling alerts is essential for interacting with pop-up messages during tests. Question 7. How to handle frames in Selenium? Answer. Frames are web pages embedded within other web pages. They are used to display content from different sources. Selenium provides methods to switch between frames, which switches to a frame by its index, which switches to a frame by its name or ID, and which switches to a frame using a web element object. Proper handling of frames is necessary for interacting with embedded content. Question 8. How to handle windows and tabs in Selenium? Answer. Selenium allows you to handle multiple windows and tabs, which gets the handle of the current window, which gets the handles of all open windows, and which switches to a specific window using its handle. This is essential for testing scenarios involving multiple windows or tabs. Question 9. How to take screenshots in Selenium? Answer. You can capture screenshots during test execution using Screenshots are useful for debugging and documenting test results. Question 10. How to perform cross-browser testing using Selenium? Answer. Cross-browser testing ensures your web application works correctly across different browsers. It is vital for providing a consistent user experience. Selenium Grid or cloud-based testing platforms like Source Labs or Browser Stack can be used for this purpose. These tools help in managing and executing tests across various browsers efficiently. This essay has provided a comprehensive overview of interview questions for manual and automation testing with a particular focus on Selenium Java. We encourage you to delve deeper into each topic, practice your skills, and continue expanding your knowledge base. The world of software testing is constantly evolving, so stay curious and embrace the challenge of delivering high-quality software.